everyone! Today I'm showing you how to draw a crayfish step by step. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, I draw a long rectangle shape to create the main body of the crayfish. Then, I draw some horizontal lines inside the rectangle to divide the body into sections. Next, I draw the two large claws on each side of the body. Then, I draw two antennae and two small eyes to complete the head. I move down and draw the fan-like tail that helps it swim. Finally, I draw all the circular popping shapes inside the crayfish body and claws. Just like a real Pop-It toy. Crayfish are freshwater crustaceans that look like small lobsters. They live in rivers, lakes, and swamps and use their claws to dig, fight, and catch food. Now, it's time to color. First, I color both eyes with glitter black. Then, I move to the chelipeds and color the top sections and both antennae with glitter red. Next, I fill in the middle of the chelipeds and the top body section with glitter orange. Crayfish shed their hard shell many times as they grow. They are also sensitive to pollution, so their presence shows the water is clean. I continue by completing the chelipeds and coloring the next two body sections with glitter green. Then, I use glitter sky blue for the fourth section of the body. Finally, I color the tail with glitter purple, giving the crayfish a vibrant finish. And that's it. Your crayfish is all done and colorful. Hope you had fun drawing with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.